Hey guys, we got this 2011 Toyota Sienna here today, and I'm going to be showing you how to change high beam headlights. Now, these are a 9005 bulb. We've got these Oxydo LED light replacements. And these are great if you're looking for a little bit more brightness, something that's more modern. And they are a bright white. You can see pretty sturdy design, aluminum housing. These actually have a fan built into them for cooling purposes. And your high beam bulb is going to actually be the inside one, and the low beam bulb is going to be the outer one with the glass sphere in front of it. If you're looking for the low beam bulb video, we also have that, so go check that out. But don't forget to subscribe, and let's get to this. So very, very simple on this van. You can see here's our light bulb right here near the washer fluid neck, and all we're going to do is just turn this counterclockwise. It unlocks, and then we just remove the bulb. Now here's the locking tab for the connector. You just push down on that, remove the light bulb. Very simple. Set that aside. All right, we got our new light bulb. I guess I should just show you here. Take note of the 3 tabs that are sticking out of the side of the light bulb. Important for the orientation of the installation of the bulb into the housing. We'll go ahead and plug this in. And then when we go to put this in here, we want it on a bit of an angle, right? We line those tabs up, and then all we do is just turn it like that until it locks into place. So you can see we're not quite vertical, but a little more pointed towards the engine, and you can't turn it anymore. That's locked into place. So without further ado, let's turn these on and see what they look like. Those look pretty nice, guys. I mean, if you're looking for a modern update, look no further, because these are it. If you want some, check out the link in the description. Code TECH28 for 10% off your purchase order. I mean, they look better, they're brighter. You're gonna see further, wider, why not? But get to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.